Claude is one of the most powerful AI tools on the planet, but 99% of people are only using 1% of its potential. You've got a business to run. You need marketing, sales copy, SEO content, financial forecasts, ad creative, customer scripts, all at once. Hiring specialists for all of that, easily $20,000 a month. Using a generic AI prompt, you're getting watered down, forgettable output. That's exactly why 70 AI Specialists for Claude was built. This is a done for you collection of 70 specialist level AI personas, each one engineered to activate Claude as a true expert in that field. We're talking a dedicated SEO strategist, a Facebook ads expert, a high converting copywriter, a brand voice specialist, a business consultant, a content strategist, a financial analyst, all connected to apps and services you are currently using, all 70 of them, ready to deploy instantly inside Claude. 100 perfect done for you. It's simple. You open Claude, paste in the specialist you need, and within seconds, you're working with a deeply trained AI expert, not a generalist. Every specialist comes with its own workflow, its own deliverables, and its own expertise baked in. These aren't basic prompts. These are power tools. Entrepreneurs and business owners are already using this to replace entire departments, creating content at scale, running ad campaigns, closing deals, building systems, all without adding a single employee to payroll. If you're serious about growing your business in 2026 and beyond, you need every competitive edge you can get. Get your 70 AI specialists for Claude right now. The link is below. Click it, grab it, and watch what's possible when AI actually works for you. Let's go.